Alright, we're going to do an AM and FM test. We already got it on FM here. We're going to see what the audio sounds like. It's the stock radio, guys. Stock. Okay, we're in FM. We're going to transmit. Stock mics have a good. The DigiMic helps out a lot. This is just the stock mic. You see, we're in FM mode.
Audio, crystal clear. Audio, crystal clear.
Okay. AM. Switch that one on AM.
Audio 1 2 1 2 1 2, crystal clear.
Yeah. You're not going to have problems with anybody saying, yeah, what, huh? These aren't awful modulated radios. They're just a good, clean radio, guys. I mean, I had my mic, backing mic gain down just a little. It'd probably clear up a little bit of the highs in it. Let's test it out.
1 2 1 2 3 3 4 4 3 2 1.
Yeah, that's a little better. Don't run it all the way because you'll get that little bit. I just back it down a little, guys. That's all it takes. This thing is really good radio. Get you a good antenna. And get out there and talk. Enjoy the hobby, everybody.